How to use Handshake AI in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how to set up your account, complete your profile, and start finding AI-related opportunities quickly even if you have no experience. If you want to explore flexible online work or AI projects without spending hours learning complicated systems, this process only takes a few minutes. First, open the Handshake AI page and create an account. You can sign up using a school email or another email address depending on what is available to you. After signing in, start completing your profile carefully because the platform uses your information to match you with opportunities. Add your education, skills, interests, and any experience you already have, even if it's from classes, internships, or personal projects. Next, upload your resume. This helps the platform understand what types of projects or roles fit your background. Handshake AI connects users with different kinds of AI-related work, including reviewing AI responses, checking information, and helping improve how AI systems perform. Some projects require specialized knowledge, but many are beginner-friendly and designed for people who are still learning. Once the profile is finished, go to the Opportunities section and start browsing available roles or projects. The platform may recommend opportunities automatically based on your qualifications. If something looks interesting, open the listing, read the details, and apply directly through the site. Some users receive project invitations later, so it helps to keep notifications turned on and check the platform regularly. Handshake also includes AI-powered search tools that make job searching easier. Instead of only clicking filters, users can type natural searches for the kind of work they want. The platform may also suggest ways to improve your profile so it becomes more visible to recruiters and employers. Another useful feature is the AI Showcase section, where users can explore AI projects from students and professionals. Sharing your own work there can help strengthen your profile and make you stand out. One thing to remember is that opportunities change often, so keeping your profile updated can improve your chances of getting matched with projects faster. So if you want to start using Handshake AI, create an account, complete your profile, upload your resume, and begin applying for opportunities directly from the platform. In just a few minutes, you can already start exploring AI-related work and career opportunities online.